this video, I'm just going to go through two of the products I use for upscaling my AI videos and my AI photos. Every time you look at these AI images, they're going to look great on your phones, on iPads, etc. But if you do want to upscale them to something printable, A3s or above, you are going to need to upscale that image some way. Now, there is a lot of products on the market. I've used quite a few of them, but for the price, this one is hard to beat. And I do find on AI created images, this does a better job. I don't know why, probably because it recognizes, I don't know how it does it, but it does a better job at upscaling AI images than some of the other major ones out there. So I'm just going to give you a few examples. I'm going to show you first of all one of the ones that you get with the software when you download it. I'm just going to show you quickly before we do that. They have got a special offer on at the moment for both of the products I use. £199 or dollars, should I say, excuse me, with a lifetime of upgrades for two. That's AI Image Enhancer and the AIarty Video Enhancer. These are the two I use specifically. These are the best deal, I think. You know, if you're doing a lot of AI work with video, which most people are now, and the photo side of things, this is definitely the deal to go for. Some of the other products that are really good that you can purchase from other people, it's going to cost you that or more just for one of them. You decide yourself. You can try this as a trial. But yeah, the proof of the pudding is in what you can see. So here we go. This is one of their images that they give with you, just so you can see the difference. We've got the before and the after, and that is a massive improvement, as you can see here. Now, like I said, I do find it works exceptionally well with the AI generated images in ChatGPT or whatever you use. So I'm going to give you a few examples of that now. Now, all these images were created with my app. Link will be available for that as well if you want to try that as well. Yeah, okay, so we'll just let it do its magic on this one. Now, one thing I will say is when you do install this software, you can download all the models like I have done here, and that saves you having to wait for it to do its magic, sort of like online, I guess. I don't know exactly how it works. You'll find it works faster by downloading all the models for this program and for the video one as well, which I'll be showing you in just a second. Right, okay, so here we go again. I use the more detail gain version 3, and I just always upscale by 2 times. Now, if you go too high on the upscaling your first time round, you do get a lot more artifacts. So if you want to try and do it twice, I would do it 2 and then by 2 again. And I would suggest you do that with whatever software you use. But let me just go for one here with, I bought that one, with a lot of detail, like this chap here, a lot of skin detail. Looks good, and like I said, these look amazing when you're looking at them on your phone or iPad, but once you get them on a computer screen, they can fall apart just a little bit. So I'm going to show you the before and after. Now, I am recording this as well as doing these edits, so it might just be a little bit slow. As you can see, just it's the final details that it brings out perfectly, and it keeps the skin details in there as well. Let me just show you one more. We've got this one here. Again, AI images, all created with ChatGPT and my plugin for ChatGPT. We get some really nice results, but if you want to just give them results a little bit of a boost, it's a definite win using this program. Again, you can do single exports, or we can do batch edits as well, and we can export them as JPEGs or 16-bit PNGs for even higher quality, and then we can adjust the DPI as well, as you can see here. Always go for around about the 300 DPI mark, and quality 100, and a 16-bit PNG will give you the best export settings. Okay, so we're going to go for an export, and then let's have a look. There we go. That will print now nicely to A3, and you'd probably get away with an A1 as well, in my opinion, for sure. Right, okay, so that is the image side of things sorted out with this software. Like I said, I'm going to leave a link to this software as well if you want to purchase it yourself. It's a good deal. 2 products for less than $200. And the next one I use is AIarty Video Enhancer. Now, you saw a couple of clips at the start, all been upgraded to, again, upscale by 2 times. If you try and upscale them again, like I said, to over, they all fall apart. It's, you know, there's nothing you can do about that. Okay, so you can see here let's have a look at this is the output video. Let me just play a bit of it for you. Again, you look at these on a iPad or phone, they do look amazing, but when you look at them on a larger screen, I'm using a 27-inch Apple screen to, you know, they do fall apart. So this software, again, I'll use the More Detail HQ V2 to upscale this by twice. Again, just go upscale times 2 and you'll get this like a 2K output, which again on a 4K, you know, timeline, they do look a hell of a lot better. But yeah, you just look at the hands. Now, that is what I use it for mainly. Now, it is also good for doing your grainy footage, that sort of thing. Let me just show you the before. We've got something shot in here in the dark. I think it was done on a phone. And as you can see, it's pretty grainy. And it shows. But once we've put the magic through it, look at the difference. All that grain is just getting smoothed out nicely. And there's a bit of detail being added back into the subject as well. Let me just show you one more here. Again, like I said, the links will be down below if you want to try these yourself. I do recommend them, and the pricing is really good. If you're really into, again, like everyone should be now, AI side of things, you want to jump on it now while you can. And again, we can see there's a definite improvement on all of the grain. As you can see in the background here, look. That's afterwards, nicely smoothed out, makes your footage look real nice. And this is a example of some really dark at night footage of a ship. And just look at that, it's tidying it up nicely for you. It's a definite win. Go and try it yourself. I don't think you'll be disappointed. Links are down below if you want to try out the app I use for doing these sort of portraits. And yeah, we'll see you in the next video, guys.